What is up, you guys? My name is Anton. I do content on all things tech, and today we're going to be talking about how to get PC parts for cheap. The strategy and the sources I recommend you all use if you want to build a custom gaming PC for the cheapest possible way.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Alright guys, so without further ado, let's just jump right into it. We're not going to have some nonsense and stuff. First source I'm going to tell you guys about is slickdeals.net. Now, links are all going to be in the description down below. You're going to want to watch this whole video throughout because we're going to give you guys a whole bunch of different sources and tools as well on how to do this. Not just one place is going to solve it all. Now, the link for this one goes straight to computer parts. As you see, this is all sorts of stuff. I'm going to assume you know how to build a computer. If you don't, check out that video that's going to pop up right here. You can see over there, I describe a little bit more in detail the 5 to 6 parts that you need. But if you're looking for a PSU, computer case, boom, this place has it all. It's pretty awesome. So, I mean, it's a conglomerative use of a whole bunch of people at the same time. Look at this, a brand new i5, 195 right here. Some user found it. Whole bunch of deals on AMDs. The other thing I want to mention, the season that you buy your computer parts really matters, okay? Black Friday has a lot of nice deals. Basically year round, you'll have decent deals, all right, but Black Friday really hits it. So if you're looking in the market about right now as I'm uploading this video, yeah, you're looking to build a computer at the right time. So Slick Deals is your buddy right here. If you don't like buying stuff used, check it out over here. They have deals all over the time. Now, you're like, look, I don't care about getting new stuff, but I still want to get super great deals. Not a problem. Tool number 2 that I'm going to highly suggest for you is called Honey. The Honey extension, I'll have the link down below, but it pops up on the top of your browser, whichever you're using, be it Google, Chrome, or Edge, whatever it is. They support all types, and as you see here, I have the MSI GeForce brand newest card with a whole bunch of codes that Honey has picked up. Now you're like, great, I'm gonna have to try every one of these codes. I know how this works. This is complete crap, man. This doesn't work. I hate it. No. Hold on. What's awesome about Honey is as soon as you go to your cart and you hit add promos button, it's gonna try every single one of them, and it's gonna tell you which code was the best or if any succeeded. If none of them succeeded, it'll tell you, you know what? You're buying this for the best price you can for this specific item. There's no other website that has it for better. Awesome tool. Highly suggest you use it. It's perfect for any shopping online. Number 3. This one's kind of obvious, but for those who don't know, eBay. Guys, this same card right here, MSI GeForce, brand new RTX technology. 580 bucks. Boom. Just going through it. 570 bucks right here. So these people saved close to $100 simply by buying an open box item. An excellent source for a lot of used parts. I highly recommend buying used parts. It's like getting a brand new car off the lot. As soon as it's off the lot, it drops in value. Computer parts are great. Nowadays, with all the guarantees that websites such as eBay have, it's a safe buy. You'll get your money back if something's wrong with it, but stores are pretty good about it. Number 4, System Builder, PCPartPicker.com. It's surprising, I know, not everyone would think that this is a source I would recommend. It's just for building computers. But here's the kick. So we're looking for a graphics card since that's where all our examples are going. Okay, great. Here are the current graphics cards that are on the market right now, right? So you scroll down here and it's got prices on the right corner all the way. And we're not sure of where to get these cards, you know? So what I recommend is you have a specific graphics card that you're looking for. All you do, so we're using, for example, the MSI. Go ahead, pop over this sucker right here. Enter, boom. All right, this first one right here is what we're looking for. As it drops up, here are all the prices. This is constantly being updated. As you see here, it's talking right here. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little better. The $30 mail-in rebate. Boom, $20 mail-in rebate. Calculates all of this, knows if it's in stock. Sometimes availability is not put on there. And we know that getting this card is actually not best at Newegg, but at Best Buy. Very useful tool People think it's mostly for building just computers, but it gets you nice deals on any PC parts. It's updated pretty regularly. This next one is my favorite place for PC parts. Some of you guys, it might not work for you, depends on your area. It's a hidden gem, hidden source, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, it depends where you live. So I'm in the Georgia area around Atlanta, you'll find a decent amount of stuff. If you don't live near a big area with a lot of people in population, it is what it is. But I highly suggest that sometimes you'll see people shipping stuff. I'd be a little cautious on that. And don't really trust that you can get scammed that way. This is meeting people in person. You can get full PC builds, which are sometimes useful. This build right here for $800. I mean, the graphics card itself costs $600, so you might be getting a nice deal right there. But if we're just looking for one part, as you see here, I just put in the RTX 2080. I see one right here for $500. So the original price of $660. Sometimes you can find even better deals. As you see, this guy right here, $300 car. Now, this isn't always perfect. So, what is something that everyone could always use? Last but not least, Reddit, my people. Reddit. Build a PC sales. I'll have the link as well in the description. This is really nice. This is where people also submit. Works just like Slick Deals, but people specifically for computer parts go. And you can get stuff for, computer monitors, SSDs, i7s, as you see here, a 2080. All sorts of different deals that people, whenever they see them online, post them up here. Very nice, very useful source. With all these, I've been able to save hundreds of dollars on my PC builds. And I highly recommend you try to do the same. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button down below. Hit the subscribe button to enjoy more tech content on a weekly basis. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Anton out.